Hey friends, it's Julie. We are so excited that you've been a part of our 12 Days of Christmas. We are excited to introduce you to a new tool that you have not seen yet. This is called the Wool Mat Cleaning Tool. It's here in our Christmas tree. And you know, when I first saw this, I said, what in the world is this? Well, I will tell you what, when something works well, we need to share it with you. So that's what we're gonna do. We have our wool mat here that's been used for class. I'm gonna hold it up here just so you can see a little bit. It's not looking so great. She's got some stuff on her. So this wool mat, this wool cleaning tool, actually takes all that stuff that you've got left behind. I'm gonna actually lay it flat so you can see how that works. Because it takes all your threads off. It kind of goes through and just cleans off your mat. And I think what's so amazing about this is it's like, oh, I love the way that it just cleans it up. I'm gonna have it come towards me. See, when you're demoing something, it's hard to know which direction to go. But you can kind of see just how it takes all the threads off of it. And I'm gonna just try to go through here and you can see, I'm just cleaning her up so she's fresh and new.
All those little fuzzies are coming off. It's great.
It's like, thank you. And who knew you needed something to clean your wool mat with, but it's really nice to be able to do that and just have it looking nice, have it fresh and clean. Your wool mat works great with your small iron. It's great for ironing all of your, whenever you're piecing for any projects that you have. So this little tool, this wool mat cleaning tool, really is handy. You can kind of see there's a lot of fuzz that came off there. And we like it when we have a new friendly tool. So this cleaning tool for the wool mat is $9, and today we have it for $7.65. You're gonna wanna call us and get this. And then also, because we're demoing on a wool mat, we have our wool mats down here. We've got two different sizes available. We have this mat right here that's the 17-inch square, and that's $40. And today we're gonna have that for $34. And then that larger mat, the $80 mat, you guys know those can be a bit costly, but they work beautifully. The 17 by 24 size, it's gonna be $68 today. So you're gonna wanna give us a call today and we will have that for you. $68 for the large mat and then $34 for the smaller mat. And then your tool, your cleaning tool for your wool mat is $7.65. I had to look again. We're excited to have Christmas with you. Come in the store, call us on the phone. We'd love to see you before Christmas hits. We just so enjoy being with you and connecting with you. We're here from 10 to 5, Monday through Friday, and Saturday 10 to 3. And you can call us at 269-383-1790. Come on in.